Hey everybody, how's it going? Ron Watson, Positive Vibe, host of Disc Dogger Weekly. Gonna go ahead and try and work some flat work. I'm gonna throw some upside down tosses, try and slow him down, adjust his leap a little bit, fix some of that recumbent rear-legged landing. Also gonna set up making the play. I'm gonna try and set up an interception and deliver the disc to a leaping dog with some shapes. Yeah, check it out. Let's go. Here we go, up. Twist, spin, hoop, yes. Squib through, Mackay, catch, yes. Aus, Mauka, catch, yes. Aus, catch, yes, good man. Aus, Mackay, get out, yes. Aus, catch. Call that making the play. I set it up over there. I make the play across the front, Mackay. You can kind of consider it a little bit like a zigzag, half a zigzag. Aus, catch. Oops, my bad. Gonna make the play again, mine. Yes, ready? Mackay, get out, set him out there on the flank. I'm gonna ask him to catch that. Mackay, catch. Yes. Aus. Yes. Yes, good man. Yeah, who's a badass? Aus. Mauka. Yes, aus, catch. Yes, good man. Aus. Mackay, catch. Shit. Come on, Epi. Aus. Yes. Yes, good man. So I call that making the play. Just set out on the flank, hit the dog across the center. Gives me a good opportunity and a good look at delivering an interception toss. All right, now go ahead and show you real close to the camera. Let's see, I'll try and get the leap in front of the camera there. Aus. Mackay, catch. Yes. Aus. Aus. Mackay, get out. Yes. Aus, catch. Yes, good man. Aus. Mackay, get out. Aus, catch. Yes, good man. I'm gonna try a couple of those with some upside down tosses. See how they adjust his line. Yes, Mackay, catch. Yes, aus. Yes. Yes, good man. Aus. Yes, Mackay, get out. Yes, aus. Yes, good man. Aus. Mackay, get out. Yes, good man. Aus. Yes. Yeah, I see ya. Let me see that. Can't reach it. Can't reach it. Try and make the play go in counter. Aus. Mauka, get out. Aus, catch. Yes, good man. Good man, wait right there. Rebound, dog catch. Good man, great work. Great work.